Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Repost if it's not working on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, go ahead over to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines, and then we would need to go ahead over to sharing and reuse section under how others can interact with you. Tap on sharing and reuse, and then in here, repost and post and reels should be allowed, as well as reels right here under allow people to create. Just make sure that you allow these ones. And then once that's done, you would need to close the app. All right, find the app icon, tap and hold. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon. Now let's just go ahead and wait for it and tap on storage. And then in here, tap on clear cache first, followed by clear data. Now, data and cache right here will be zeroed. Now, if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage. And after that, find Instagram. And then just offload the app. In the offload section, it might ask you to update the app. So just go ahead and update it. And once that's done, go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store. Again, find Instagram. Now, if there's an update button, go ahead and update the app. And then once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. You should now be able to see the repost button. Now, if you can't still see it, well, your account must be a creator or business account. Make sure to at least try a personal account, all right? Or if you are under a personal account, try a professional or business account, vice versa. Now, if you don't know how to do that, let's go ahead and test it out real quick. Let's just wait for this one to install. All right, so open up the app, go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines. And then in here, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find account type and tools. All right. If you're under personal, switch to professional account right here or vice versa. And there you have it. Now, when you go ahead over to your reel section or post section, you should now be able to see repost. And do take note that some of the posts right here doesn't have the repost options. Okay. Just like the ones at the top, the first reel doesn't have a repost option. It depends on the creator itself. All right, so that is how you fix reposts not working on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.